Futubol na the number one sport for Naija. We must treat am as national assets. Buhari na him talk this one. To change the slow development and bad administration for football for Naija, President Buhari don receive 10 years master plan to help improve the sport on Tuesday for Aso Rock. This slow development and bad administration of football na im make national teams dey struggle to make progress for international competitions. This 10 years plan from 2022 to 2032 wey go help as guide for the development and administration of football na product of different ogbonge people wey sabi football matter for our obodo Naija.
The master plan will encapsulate functional strategies that will outlast this current administration. Will set firmly in place the Nigerian football on a path of sustainable growth and development, and this, Mr. President, will be a legacy, and we thank you for your vision.
President Buhari tok say im administration dey committed to improve football development and administration for Naija. He tok say Naija football must go back to grassroots and youth development.
This government is interested in developing a football culture that will help the nation to lay a solid foundation for her domestic football. Put in place professionally and efficiently run leagues, entrench a consistent and stable football calendar, and create a value chain which will boost the sports ecosystem. Nigeria's football development must return to the path of focus on grassroots and youth development and an overall good governance structure around every level of its development. Nigeria now expects results.
President Buhari tok say dis document go bring positive change to football sake of say football na the number one sport for Naija and a major tool for unity.
I believe this will signal a positive turning point for our football and a major step forward in our bid to create a conducive environment for its sustainability and viability. Football is our number one sport in Nigeria. It is our passion and a major tool for our unity, and so as a government, it is our responsibility to safeguard it and treat it as a national asset.
The committee can identify 15 problems and can still give ogbonge solutions to solve the matter.
It is our hope and prayer that this work will assist government in passioning out a comprehensive program for the development of football to the satisfaction of our youths and generality of Nigerians.
Once there is equitable representation in the Congress of the Nigeria Football Federation, then the opportunities for players would show up. Right now, it is lopsided, and I want to just appeal that the NFF should take the advice of the president to look into those issues very seriously.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.